Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about a massager by Renpho called the Renpho Reach. This was not sent to me. I did pick it up. And the reason why I picked it up and was looking at it was I was intrigued in the fact that this massager with the extender handle allows you to get to those hard to reach areas. So I was intrigued. It was around $40. I'm like, well, how good could it be? But the reviews are very positive, so I thought I would give it a try, and that's what I'm going to share with you. Now, I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. So if you want to check it out yourself and order it, the link will be there for you. Now, with this massager, first of all, it doesn't come with a case, and I don't know why, but they should have had some sort of case, but maybe for the price point, it just is not affordable. It does come with 4 massage heads. You get the foam ball head. It also has the bullet head. You also get the flat head, and then you also have the U-shaped head. So those are there. Then you also have a Type-C cable. I've got plenty of those. And then you got 2 additional rings, and those rings go on the massage head to keep the massage heads working and not falling out of the massager. So that's what is included. And then you also have this booklet, which has got some good information, suggestions of the different massage heads and how to use it. So there you go. So this is a good entry-level massager, and I'll talk about my thoughts and how well it really performs. Let me share with you just some specs on it. First of all, it's an 8 millimeter amplitude, up to 2,800 RPMs, 1,600 to 2,800, 40 pounds of max stall force, 5 speeds, 3 hours of battery life, and 1.7 pounds with, as you see it here. So those are the specs. Now, it is a brushless motor, so it's gonna be quiet, and it weighs, again, 1.7 pounds, so not too heavy. Now, with this massager, it does have the connector there for charging. And then you'll see it's got this big display in the back, and it's got this button on the back that you press. So you press and hold that in, and that will turn it on after a few seconds. You got a nice big readout, so I kind of like that. And then it also tells you the battery life. It has 5 speeds. So there you go. That's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. Now, being level 5, you can hear it's not that loud, which is nice. You can hear with me pushing on it. There you go. Now, first of all, I noticed if you push too firm, it doesn't seem to be able to handle that. And that is something where when you start getting into massagers where they're going to be 100 or more, maybe even under 100 you could find them, but this one really struggles, I noticed there. Now, the good part though is if it does stop, it keeps going as other massagers. So again, I like the fact that this gets to those hard to reach areas. From the standpoint, and this is only because I've been reviewing massagers and I've got some good ones, the thing for me I find with this massager, it feels like just a vibration. It doesn't feel like it's really penetrating. So if I really wanted to get into my shoulders and there, I mean, that feels okay, but it doesn't do the justice as compared to, you know, other massagers that I've used that really can penetrate deeper and are not going to stall out like this one does. So if you are on a budget and you are maybe more sensitive, this might be a good stepping stone to go. Might be a nice gift for somebody. Again, to me, it's a good entry level massager. This can certainly be used for your entire body, but again, to me, I think that's the big selling point is for your back. So I'm going to be returning it for the simple fact is I found something else that's going to work, and I can use my massager that can go deeper in penetrating into my muscle, which is what I'm looking for. So those are my thoughts. Again, I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. And if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. Helps the channel. If you're not a subscriber and find any value, click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. And if you're looking to stay pain-free, get yourself a massager and make sure you can get one that can give you some pain relief. Well, take care. We'll see you on the next one.